For optimum visibility, monitor the condition of the wiper blades and the screen wash level. To replace the windscreen wiper blades, with the ignition on and the engine off, lower the wiper control stalk fully. This will separate the wiper blades from the bonnet. Lift up the wiper arm, then pull this tab, pressing on both sides, and push the blade upwards. To refit the wiper blade, insert it into its seat, then clip it like this. Ensure that it is correctly locked by pulling gently on it. Then fold the arm back onto the windscreen. Next, push the wiper control stalk upwards to drop the wiper blade into position.